Hey, good morning. As you can see, this is our continuation of our lesson. And we have for text box, we have LRN, last name, first name, at middle name. If ever kung sakaling nakikita natin, meron tayong button. I'm just only going to double click the button in order to get or sabihin natin to show the data what has been inserted in this four text box. Double click natin. Kaya punta tayo dito sa kanyang program. Ito. Meron tayong 4 text box. Si text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, text box 4. Another reminders or just a few reminders. Always remember the arrangement of your text box. Bawat text box, they have their own properties. They have their own name, na kung saan nakalocate or nakalagay dito sa properties. If ever you're going to click the text box 1, as you can see, kaya text box 1 ang nandito. Okay, let's proceed to our program. Dito na po tayo. As you can see, last time we are about this, sabi natin, we are done discussing about the empty the text box o walang laman yung text box na kung saan there is a warning sign, there is a warning, there will be, sabi natin may lalabas na error or may lalabas na notification kapag hindi kumpleto ang kanyang registration. Okay, next. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon is yung continuation ng message box. For example, on this program or on this code, ito yung program na kung saan hindi na-fill upan lahat yung form. Itong sa baba, if ever na-fill upan niya lahat yung form, it will going to proceed sa form number 3. Okay, next. I'm just going to press enter and then message box. I'm going to insert the text box 1.text plus text box 2.text plus text box 3 3.text plus text box 4.text. Okay, next. Sir, why did you choose the symbol of positive or yung plus? Bakit mo ginamit yung plus, di ba? If you are going to use the symbol of plus, i-add niya yung mga number. Yes, pero meron po siyang dalawang trabaho, especially with especially this kind of symbol. Una, for mathematical operation. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, yung po yun. Pero yung pangalawa, ang kanyang gamit is pagsasamahin niya yung mga data or tinatawag natin concatenation. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya po i-add yung ating inilagay. Kasi hindi naman siya number eh. Hindi naman siya integer. Kaya ang gagamitin or ang gagawin niya is concatenation. Pagsasamahin niya yung mga data na inilagay. Okay? Try natin. Let's try to run the program. Start debugging or by pressing F5. Kung nakikita ninyo na every time that you are going to start your program, yung form 1 yung form 1 muna ang kanyang binabasa. Bakit? Kasi naka-arrangement na po ang kanyang application eh. Starting from form 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kung ano ang una na dito sa dito sa Explorer, kung ano yung una na diyan, siya ang una niyang binabasa ng program or yung ipapakita niya na output. Mukhang bumabagal na naman yung aking laptop. i-stop kasi medyo mabagal, and then let's play again. Ang mga nakikita ko lang nagpapakita na activity na ganito is si Jasmine, si John Lloyd Abrera, si Ruby, si Reggie. Sila lang ang nagpapakita. Pati si Ryan. Yung iba, hindi ko alam kung bakit may mga computer pero hindi naman nagpaparamdam or hindi nagme-message or ano pa man. Okay? Visual Basic, password, visual is the account and password is the basic. Submit, and then ito yung sinasabi ko. Pag walang laman, there is a notification that you have to fill up the following. Please fill up the following, okay? And if ever na-fill up na natin, 0912 122, bawal po. Okay, last name, first name, and then click the button. Okay, yan. As you can see, we use the addition or the concatenation symbol. Sir, medyo pangit po atang tignan. Diba? Nakikita natin. Sir, parang hindi naman ata maayos tignan. Okay? Try natin. Let's try to close. Stop the program. Okay. Ang susunod natin gagawin is yung nakita natin na data, they should be in the next line. Ibig sabihin, ang kanyang ayos is dapat nakaganito. Sabihin natin, ganyan. Mari di Guzman. Example lang ito. Example lang itong tinatype ko dito sa baba. Mari, ganito yun. Dapat ang magiging output natin is ganito. Sir, how to do it? Paano gagawin? Simple lang naman siya. Kung nakikita itong positive, ang ilalagay natin is VB. Burahin muna natin lahat para mas malinaw. Text box 1, text, and if ever sabi natin if ever you install the Visual Basic successfully, walang error, makikita natin itong nasa drop down menu. Ano ang ibig sabihin or what is the use of this drop down menu? They are also guide natin in programming the Visual Basic. VB, as you can see, may nakikita tayo dito na bumababa. C, ilagay natin itong C, R, capital L, E, and then end ulit. And then, lagay natin text box 2, text, and VB, CRLF, CRLF, symbol ng end. Ulitin lang natin, i-copy paste ko lang para hindi masyadong matagal. Text box 3, text, copy paste. Text box 4, text. Okay. Walang underline. As you can see, just a few reminders again. Pag may underline, may error. Pero sometimes, pag mali ang ating flow or mali ang flow ng ating program, ibig sabihin, doon din tayo nagkakamali. Pero as usual, pag walang linya, walang underline, walang red na underline, ibig sabihin walang error. Okay? Try to play the program. Bakit kasi may papasok at kung anong oras na. Almost 20 minutes late. Ginagawa ng college no Ruby Ruby. Saan kaya galing si Ruby? Okay. Visual Basic. Submit. If ever na walang data or walang in-input, there is a notification that you have to fill up the following. And then if just in case na mayroon na tayong data, they should be arranged or sabi natin naka-arrange na siya ng maayos, hindi na dire-diretsyo. Pero pababa na ang kanyang itsura. Okay? Ito po yun. Kanina, dire-diretsyo yung kanyang output or yung kanyang nakalagay na sagot na nandito. Now, dinagdagan lang natin ng NVVCRL, itong word na to, in order to create or sabihin natin magkakaroon na siya ng next line. Parang sa keyboard, parang en-enter mo ang kanyang bagong word or kaya sabihin natin next line ang kanyang trabaho. Okay? Pag na-fill upan, ito yung may button. Hindi pa natin, yung form number 4 at 3, hindi ko pa siya masyadong ginagawa. Pero we are going to continue that tomorrow, the same time, 2 o'clock p.m. Kung sakaling mabilis yung ating internet. Kasi sa grade 12, hindi na ako nakapag-klase. Mahinang internet kanina. Okay? Bali, ito ang ating idinagdag sa araw na to. Together with the output, together with the message box, text box 1, text box 2, 3, and 4. Okay, before we end our discussion, our lesson, any more question? Meron pa bang tanong regarding sa lesson? May question?
Sir, patapos na po kayo?
Actually, yes. Nag-start ako ng 11:05 ata or 11:10. Where have you been, Ruby? Saan ka galing, Ruby?
Sir, hindi antag dito? Hindi nag-notif yung chat nyo? Ay, yung
Saglit, okay, bali, I'm just only going to post it on my YouTube channel and then I'm going to send it to our messenger or our group.